Hello children, welcome to today's music class. In today's class, our topic is ledger line. Our topic is ledger line and we are considering note D and G. What is a ledger line? A ledger line is an additional line below or above the staff to accommodate more notes. Today, we are going to look at one note above and one note below the stave. For treble only, note G is a note next to F on the fifth line of treble clef. This is note G just after the fifth line. Note D is the note before E, which is below the first line. This is note D. So children, that is all for today. Hope you enjoyed the class. See you in the next class. Please subscribe to this channel, like and turn on the notification button for more videos like this.